Good evening, 2K fans. This is my third video clip. It's ready. Jack in attendance, 11:50. My third video clip. An alley assist. LeBron James starting from the pass a month ago. And LeBron James will dunk on his left hand. This is the alley throwback where the assist of Dwayne Wade started. Let's do it, Holmes. Yeah, let's begin. Oh, here comes Kyrie. Alley-oop from the 3-point line. This is where Jason Kidd. Alley-oop to Tim Duncan. Okay, night, Holmes. This is my third. And